o'clock this morning.
There was nowhere else to go. Could you keep the noise down?
Why don't you stop drinking for my sake?
I don't drink for your sake. I drink for mine.
Why do you drink so much?
It's cheaper than sending you to a beauty parlor.
And you haven't emptied the garbage.
You empty it. You cooked it.
Why you can't get dressed in the morning, I'll never know. What do you suppose the neighbors would think if I ran around the house half naked?
You think I married you for your money? What figure? Seen bigger lumps in porridge. Don't! That's my foot!
Then why don't you put your foot where it belongs?
Don't tempt me!
Why don't you put a shirt and tie on?
Because nobody don't never come here.
Then what you got your hat on for?
Well, you never know. They might.
You keep wearing a hat all the time, you'll go bald.
If I'm wearing a hat all the time, no one will know, will they? Oh, hi.
Hello. I'm your new neighbor. We've just moved in next door.
Why don't you answer the damn door? Oh, pardon me.
Your wife?
Would I have a maid as ugly as that?
Come, come. I think she's rather attractive.
Would you like to go sit down?
Oh, thank you.
Watch out, there's a step there. Watch it. Okay.
Hello?
This is the Limey from next door.
Your new neighbor. Do call me Henry.
I'm Miriam, and this is Barney. Would you like some coffee?
How kind.
Well, would you like to take a load off your mind and sit down, as they say?
You may find that my wife and I will take a little bit of getting used to. We're sort of unconventional.
What they called bohemians. Bohemians, yeah.
I've got little peccadillos.
I find that very hard to believe, Henry. I really do. I mean, none of us are perfect.
We're what you people call swingers. You know, two's company, three's a crowd, and four's a lot more fun. If you're broad-minded.
You was lucky to find us at home.
Well, I overheard you talking.
Oh, that was just a little lover's tiff. Actually, Barney wouldn't swap me for anything.
Oh, pity.
Hey, do you mean what I think you mean?
A change is as good as a rest.
I know, but quite honestly, you know, that is a situation into which I have never entered into. I don't even know that I could go along with anything like that.
I'm Lorraine, next door.
Of course, it's got to be a first time for everything.
Oh, hi.
Let me introduce you to Lorraine. This is Miriam and Barney.
Would you like some coffee?
Well, who's going to be mother?
Well, not me, that's for sure.
Don't start that again.
I can't stay long. I'm off to Greenwich Village in a minute.
Sugar with or without?
Without.
Shopping?
Oh, no such luck.
Cream with or without?
Without. No, I'm off to model for a painter.
With or without?
Without.
Great idiot!
Couldn't help it.
It's
let me.
all- It's okay. It'll all be coming off in a minute.
Hey, you come with me. I'll look after you.
There we go.
Well, they seem to be getting along fine, and we get along okay.
Yeah.
You know, when you've been married to the same woman for a few years, you begin to fancy a change.
Oh, yeah.
You know, fancy something. Fancy something a little different.
Hey, what the hell are you getting at?
I mean, we could swap wives.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Only temporarily, of course. I mean, I know you wouldn't want to part with your Miriam forever, now would you?
No.
I really fancy your Miriam. I just love a romp in the hay with her.
Henry, I have to, but you!
What do you say?
Well, I don't know. It's wrong.
Who says it's wrong?
Well, my doctor, for a start, he said I shouldn't make love to anybody except my wife. He said I wasn't to get excited. My nerves.
Nonsense! Do you the world of good.
Oh, just drying off.
Supposing she doesn't agree.
Oh, she will. I know my wife. Once I get your Miriam next door and try a little bit of the old charm. Do your best for me. I think I'll go and find the little boy's room.
But it's down the corridor, Henry. You can't miss it.
I'll try not to.
Say, they're a lovely pair, aren't they?
Oh, God, are they ever a lovely pair? Oh, a lovely couple, yes. He's nice. He likes you.
No, I kind of like him.
He said he's got some new contemptible furniture in his apartment that you might like to go and have a look at.
Barney says you got something to show me.
Come on next door and have a look.
Go. Don't hurry back.
Oh, he doesn't waste much time, does he?
I'll tell you something else more, don't I?
Oh, I'm sure you'll like my mummy.
Like your mummy?
Didn't Daddy tell you?
That was your father? Holy cow, I didn't. Oh my God! I thought I was going to be with you.
Oh, never mind.
But I do mind.
I'll be like that in 30 years' time.
In 30 years' time, I won't care.
Here,
Yeah?
I made this for you.
You made that?
Yes.
Beautiful.
I make my own wine and brew my own beer.
How about that?
It's my hobby.
Is it? Oh.
What's your hobby?
Glass blowing.
Glass blowing?
Yeah.
Yeah. I baked this special for you.
I must try some of that. Oh, that is. You're so clever. Oh, we're gonna get on so well together. You like bowling? Oh, I love bowling. Miriam never liked